Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can use flow frames. So it's pretty simple to use a flow frame. So you can actually make video interpolator. So it is a video interpolator that can make your video more smoother, and you can add more FPS if you want so by your GPU. So make sure that you have a dedicated GPU so it can work properly. So whenever you have downloaded this flow frames, that is 1.36.0 version right now. So when you download it on your PC, then it will show you a welcome message where you can find some instructions, some about some features here. So here you can see it is downloading the file. Whenever it download done interpolating, you can find the done interpolating. Then you can simply click on this interpolation. After that, you can find some AIs that can actually help you to interpolate any video, and that can actually work for interpolation, video interpolation. So here is interpolation AI. So you can, if you have NVIDIA GPU, then you can select this RIFE, this AI that is actually pretty much helpful and impressive. Now from here input video, you have to, it will show you the video path that you have actually uses, or you can actually simply click on browse folder or browse video, then you can select it and it will show that path of that video. Then output directory, you can select where you want to save that video, the edited video. Then here is output FPS and street, where you can enter the FPS. It will get the FPS of that video. For example, you have uploaded a video and that video have only 25 FPS, then you can find a multiplier here. You just need to simply click on this drop down button here, and you'll find some multiplier here. So you can actually add them to multiply that FPS, like here 25 FPS. Then if you select 4 multiplier 4, then it will multiply 25 with 4, then you will get 100 FPS. If you select 10, so you will get 250 FPS. So hope you got this. Now here is the speed. So you can also select the speed, what type of speed you need, like slow or fast or very slow. Then from here, after selecting output mode and AI model, this is the same AI model that I have recommended you, that RIFE. Then after that, you simply click on I interpolate, then it will start interpolating that video. You can find the preview here. Here you can see the running time. So you can find the total processing time from here, that 32 seconds. It's very fast, and the time is vary on your GPU. If you have a strong GPU, then you can actually get a small time, so it can actually generate that or interpolate a video in a short time. So from here, when you get that video, you can find that video after that uploaded video, that is 25 FPS, and the done video is 100 FPS, just because of we have used 4x. So that's why it has multiplied 4 with 25, so it will give you 100 FPS video. So you can get this video and it's very smooth. It will be very smooth. So that's how you can actually use this for this flow frames. Hope you got this. If so, then give us a thumbs up, leave a comment below, and thanks for watching. Till next time.